guys, it's Isabelle. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I am here with another bullet journal with me video for the month of November, and I'm super excited because it's turkey season and that means lots of food and everyone loves food. So without further ado, let's just get started. I already cut out a piece of printer paper and fit it in, and now I'm just going to be starting on my cover page, and I'm going to be outlining November in pencil so I do not mess up. So I went ahead and drew out the letters November, and then I outlined some of these pumpkins down here, and I'm going to be adding a few more on the other side, and then I'll be coloring them in. Now taking an orange Crayola Twistable, I'm going to be coloring in these pumpkins to make them look more realistic and colorful and festive. Adding a little brown top to my pumpkins. Next, I'm going to be taking one of my orange colors and just adding this as my drop shadow for kind of an accent. To add on to this, I'm going to be taking my brown and outlining these branches I just drew. Since November and October kind of represents fall and the changing of the leaves, I kind of wanted to represent this in my drawing too. Finally, I'll be going in with a reddish and drawing these leaves. But I don't want to make all of them red. I kind of want to vary the colors of the leaves, so I'll be kind of going as mustardy yellow and I'll be going in with an orange too. Then finally, going in with a pen, I'm going to be making my mini calendar at the bottom. So I went ahead and drew the calendar out just because it takes so long to do it on camera. So now I'm going to be writing the days up at the top. Now I'm going to number the days of the month. Like normal, I'm going to be making my box over here for my YouTube tracker. Now I'm going to be going in with an orange Crayola and coloring in my little fox. Next, I'll be writing November. And now I'm going to add some little mushrooms and other goodies here at the bottom. Now I'm going to be coloring these mushrooms in. For my mood tracker, I've decided to make each day little mushrooms. So I've made this forest. Where I have some trees. Next, I'm going to be drawing little mushrooms, each representing a day. So this is just my mood tracker. These are all the little mushrooms which represent all the days, and a little forest, and then every mushroom I'll color in either red, which was a good day, this orange color, which was okay, or this like poopy greenish yellow. That means it was a bad day. For my sleep tracker, I'm going to be doing the same thing I normally do. For my weekly spread, I've decided to change it up again, and I'm going to be doing the day in the pumpkin and then have a pumpkin around all of them, and I'll probably have 4 days here, and then I think I'm going to be doing like a to-do list right here, and then on the other side I'll have the 4 days and maybe like a little like inspirational quote or something up at the top. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you guys next time.